Welcome to this yoga practice designed to target your core muscles, strengthening your core will improve your posture, balance, and overall athletic performance. Let's get started. Warm up. Begin in mountain pose, feet hip width apart. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale. Fold forward again. Repeat for 5 rounds. Pose 1, plank pose. Start in plank pose, hands shoulders width apart. Engage your core. Keep your body straight. Hold for 5 breaths. Pose 2, boat pose. Sit with your legs crossed. Engage your core. Balance on your seat. Hold for 5 breaths. Pose 3, side plank pose. Lie on your side, feet straight. Lift your hips off the ground. Balance on your forearms. Hold for 5 breaths. Switch sides. Wait for part 2.